As a project management expert, I often encounter questions about the cost-effectiveness of various tools. One recurring query is Basecamp free? This is a crucial consideration for individuals, small teams, educators, and anyone looking to manage projects efficiently without breaking the bank. Let's delve into the pricing structure of Basecamp and explore its implications. Understanding Basecamp's pricing history. Basecamp, a well-established name in the project management software arena, has evolved its pricing strategy over time. It's important to understand this evolution to grasp the current situation regarding a free plan. Historically, Basecamp offered a free plan, often referred to as Basecamp Personal. This plan catered to individuals, freelancers, families, and very small teams with light usage needs. It typically included limitations on the number of projects, around 3, users, up to 20, and storage space, around 1 gigabyte. This free tier was a great entry point for many to experience the basic functionalities of Basecamp. However, in October 2022, Basecamp made a significant shift in its pricing model. They discontinued the forever free Basecamp Personal plan. This change meant that new users could no longer sign up for a completely free version of the software. The current pricing structure of Basecamp, as of April 14, 2025. As of today, Basecamp primarily offers 2 paid pricing plans. Basecamp, per user. This plan is priced at $15 per user per month. It includes unlimited projects, 500 gigabytes of file storage, and access to all of Basecamp's core features such as to-do lists, message boards, schedules, docs and file sharing, and team communication tools. Guests, external collaborators like clients or contractors, can be invited to projects at no additional cost. This plan is designed for startups, small teams, and freelancers. Basecamp Pro Unlimited. This plan offers a flat monthly rate for unlimited users. It costs $299 per month when billed annually or $349 per month when billed monthly. This plan includes everything in the Basecamp plan, along with increased storage, 5 terabytes, priority support, 24/7/365, 1:1 onboarding with a Basecamp expert, and access to add-ons like timesheets for tracking time spent on tasks, and Admin Pro Pack for enhanced control over user access and permissions. This plan is best suited for growing businesses and larger teams. It's worth noting that Basecamp offers a 30-day free trial for both of its paid plans. This allows potential users to thoroughly test all the features before committing to a subscription. No credit card is required to start the free trial, making it a risk-free way to evaluate if Basecamp suits your project management needs. Additionally, Basecamp provides discounts for nonprofit organizations and free accounts for teachers and students, including homeschoolers and those in alternative education programs. Interested individuals need to contact Basecamp with the necessary documentation to avail these offers. Limitations of the former free plan. While the former Basecamp Personal plan was a valuable option for basic project management, it did come with several limitations. Limited number of projects. Users were restricted to a maximum of 3 active projects at any given time. This could be restrictive for individuals managing multiple initiatives or teams working on several parallel projects. Limited number of users. The plan typically allowed for up to 20 users. While seemingly sufficient for very small teams, it could quickly become a bottleneck as the team size grew. Limited storage space. The 1 gigabyte of storage was adequate for basic file sharing but could be quickly filled up with documents, images, and other project-related files, especially in collaborative environments. Feature restrictions. The free plan was a streamlined version of the paid plans and lacked some of the more advanced features and customization options available in the paid tiers. For instance, features like project templates, archiving, and advanced reporting were often absent. No client access. The Basecamp Personal plan typically did not allow for inviting clients or external stakeholders to projects. This limited its utility for projects that required collaboration with individuals outside the core team. Why the shift away from a free plan? The decision to discontinue the free plan likely stemmed from several factors. Sustainability. Maintaining and supporting a free tier for a large user base can be resource-intensive. By focusing on paid subscriptions, Basecamp can ensure the continued development, maintenance, and support of its platform. Focus on core users. Basecamp's current pricing strategy seems to target businesses and teams that require more robust project management capabilities. By eliminating the free tier, they can concentrate on providing value to these core users. Feature parity. The current paid plans offer full access to all features, ensuring that users, regardless of the plan they choose, benefit from the complete functionality of Basecamp. This simplifies the offering and avoids feature fragmentation. Alternatives to Basecamp with free plans. If a free project management solution is a strict requirement, several alternatives to Basecamp offer free plans, although these often come with their own set of limitations. Trello. Known for its Kanban-style boards, Trello offers a free plan with limitations on the number of boards, power-ups, integrations, and file attachment size. It's a visually intuitive option for task management and simple project workflows. Asana. Asana's free plan allows for up to 15 team members and offers basic task management, project views, and collaboration features. However, it lacks some of the more advanced features like timelines and portfolios available in paid plans. Monday.com. While Monday.com is known for its highly customizable and feature-rich platform, its free plan is quite limited, typically allowing only a small number of users and basic functionalities. ClickUp. ClickUp is a comprehensive project management tool that offers a free plan with a generous set of features, including unlimited tasks and users, but with limitations on storage and some advanced functionalities. Freecamp. As the name suggests, Freecamp offers a free plan with unlimited projects and users, but some advanced features and integrations are behind a paywall.